inyong tanan. Ako po si Milka Romero, ang current chairwoman ng One Pacman Party List. Ang papa ko po ay si Kong Mikey Romero na nakaupo ngayon sa Kongreso. Walang taon na po kami na actually seated and nagpapasalamat rin po ako sa buong Bohol sa pagsuporta ng 3 terms na ng One Pacman Party List na nakaupo sa Kongreso. So ako po, hopefully sa susunod na election, ako na yung magpapatuloy ng mga projects na ginagawa namin sa One Pacman and tinutulungan na rin namin sa Bohol for the past 8 years. So marami ng bills, kami po ang pinakamaraming bills na nagawa sa Kongreso, kagaya ng 4Ps, ang papa ko rin na po, si Kong Mikey Romero, ang author ng Universal Healthcare Law, um, Doctor, Doctor para sa Masa Law, and a lot of more projects based on sports, education, and job generation. Matagal na rin po kami nandito sa Bohol dahil kami rin po ang may-ari ng Global Port Tagbilaran. So ayun, kung nakikita niyo po sa passenger terminal, kung nag-i-inter-island po kayo, napapa-asenso na namin ang buong Tagbilaran kasi mas mabilis na po ang pagdaloy nyo gamit ang mga ferries and mga port terminals namin. So, makikita niyo po ako palagi dito sa Bohol. So, mag-hi lang po kayo sa akin at magbate kasi umiikot na rin po ako. Kahapon actually nasa Cortez na rin po ako. Nagbigay kami ng mga school supplies sa mga maliliit na bata, mga kids na sobrang babait and ang daming kids na na-meet ko sa Cortez and from different schools and elementary. Sa De La Paz naman, nagbigay naman kami ng mga computer sets and sa Lourdes, nagbigay rin kami ng computer set. Today po, kaninang umaga, nasa Tagbilaran City naman po ang One Pacman and nakapagbigay kami ng medical maintenance sa ating mga adults to senior citizens. And sobrang happy ako to meet everybody from Tagbilaran. And many more projects to come. So, if you wanna, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You said that one Pacman's advocacy is education, sports, at saka
Job generation.
job generation, pati
Yes.
health and well-being din.
Yes.
Can you cite some significant milestones po sa 9 years?
So the past,
accomplished po?
yes. Ako po, bilang kabataan and representation of this new generation, ako, like as Ate Milka, gusto ko rin po yung sports. So, yun talaga makakatulong sa mental, hindi lang sa physical well-being natin. So, maraming, kung kilala niyo ang Premier Volleyball League or yung Capital One sa PVL, may-ari po kami nun. So, magdadala po ako ng mga volleyball players para makapagturo ng volleyball clinics sa mga high school to college, university students natin. So, abangan niyo po yun. Talagang exciting na magkakaroon tayo ng volleyball league or One Pacman Volleyball League na inter-district. So, ma-announce ko na yon na gagawin po namin dito sa Bohol.
Okay.
So, very exciting yon. Aside from that, we have, of course, a basketball team. Kung alam niyo ang Northport, sa PBA, yun po, magdadala rin po tayo ng mga basketball players. So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng PBA dyan, abangan nyo na ang One Pacman ay magdadala ng mga sports programs dito sa Bohol.
Yung pagpunta nyo dito, ma'am, is very short. Limited yung time po.
Yes.
So, babalik po kayo.
Of course. So actually, the past months, mga ilang beses na rin po kaming bumibisita dito sa Bohol. And makikita niyo po kami, masasawa po kayo sa mukha ko na may mga projects and like what I said, programs, not only for this period, but for the next, hopefully 9 years na nandito po ang One Pacman para sa Bohol.
Ano po yung maasahan sa mga Boholanos ng sa One Pacman Party List?
Ang maaasahan niyo po mga Boholanos ay talagang ang feeling ng one Pacman dito sa Bohol. Kasi ako po, maraming energy, talagang excited to do many projects with your leaders also. I would like to thank also, of course, the Mayor of Tagbilaran City, Mayor Jane Yap, Congressman Baba Yap, of course in Cortez also, Consi Ira Lim and Mayor Ivan Lim, who have already welcomed me, and a lot more leaders and Konsehal and SK leaders. I would like to also work with the new and younger generation, like our SK leaders and chairman. So very exciting for me to work and be here in Bohol. Thank you. Daghang salamat.
Ma'am, anything you would like to say or anything you'd like to yeah.
So you're very young, you're very active and dynamic. What programs na gusto niyo ipasa? If ever po na
Well, definitely, I want to focus on mental health, and I'm also a very big advocate of the LGBTQ community. And I would like to hear more when I visit here in Bohol, concerns and things that we could discuss together and bring up to a national level. So definitely, these are projects that I'd like. One of the few projects that I want to advocate. Of course, nandun pa rin palagi ang tulong kagaya ng job generation, like we have given 30,000 jobs through TESDA. 80,000 na po ang binigay na medical assistance such as MAIP. And 10,000 na po ang natulungan in terms of scholarships. So definitely, yun ang basics na may itutulong. But anything else that we can help, such as creative arts, mental health, well-being, and as well as sports, is definitely something that you can expect from one Pacman party list.
Ma'am, a question from my end. Sino ang point person ng One Pacman Party List dito? Paano punta yung mga tao sa party list to seek assistance, help, or anything from your party list, ma'am?
Definitely, we have of course, our Facebook group, the One Pacman Party List, where you can see all the details po on how to reach our office, and our contact numbers are all there. So please like the One Pacman Party List on Facebook, and dun niyo mahanap ang mga information and processes on how to contact us. So again, thank you.
do you have an office here, ma'am? Perfect one.
We are setting up an office and dito sa Tagbilaran. So yes, we have. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, on a lighter note, Bohol is the only Ionis culture park in the Philippines.
Yes.
So what's your favorite spot
Wow.
in Bohol?
Talagang sa 2 days, actually, bago pa ako dito for work, pumupunta lang kasi ako dito as a diver. So, talagang siguro before pandemic pa lang, nagustuhan ko ng Bohol. Kaya na-excite ako to be working here. Kasi masarap yung pagkain. Of course, you have the UNESCO, yung river na pinuntahan ko kahapon. Definitely, opo. So definitely, sobrang ganda ng Bohol, and I'm very, very happy to be here. And many more sights and to see. And sana kung may time, maka-enjoy rin kasi puro trabaho muna. So, yeah.
Sa sardines din.
Yung Sardine Run,
Sardines.
Oo.
Nakadaig na ka.
opo. Sobrang grabe. May video pa ako na umiikot yung sardines. Talagang,
Pwede ko na bagay yan.
Ambassador dito, ma'am. Ambassador ng Bohol.
Oo.
Yeah,
pwede kung gusto niyo po.
with pretty face ba?
Thank you. Salamat, Gid.
Ma'am, anything you would like to add to the Bolano audience from One Pacman Party List? Congressman.
Once again, I would like to thank the people of Bohol for welcoming One Pacman Party List. Sobrang happy po ako na makatulong dito, and welcome niyo po ako, and sana po sa susunod magkita-kita po tayo at mas maraming projects, mas maraming tayong makakagawa together po sa Bohol. Thank you very much. This is Milka Romero ng One Pacman Party List.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
thanks. One. Ana.